opened my Gaga Node app now. Now I'll show you how to claim 10,000 Gaga tokens for free. And for that, you need to go to this check my reward option. Loading the page, go there, welcome, tap here, and now you gotta complete all these steps from step 1 to step 3. Now step 1, follow, touch here to complete this follow step. Now it's taking me to Gaga Node official Twitter account. Follow here. See, I've already started following. Now going back, touch back button of your phone. Now I'm here. I'm back to the second step, step 2, and complete the step 2. Touch here, tweet here, touch this tweet button, completed the tweet, touch here, view, touch here, copy the linked tweet. Now go back to those steps page. Now third step, the last step, verify and get rewards. In this box, paste it, the link that I copied from Twitter, paste here, then touch here. I already claimed for free tokens a few days ago. That's why they are not allowing me to claim again. So now, if you have completed these steps like I've done, then you gotta wait for a while. Touch back button. It will take some time to get those tokens. Go there now. Then go to balance. This is the main balance of Gaga Node tokens. All the tokens that we mine are always shown here. So the free tokens that I've just a while ago claimed will be added here to this main balance. One thing you can do before claiming for those free tokens, you can keep a record of how many tokens you already have in your main balance. Here, you can check it. Then maybe after a couple of hours of claiming for free tokens, you can come back to this balance of token section and you can check whether your balance got increased by 10,000 tokens or not. And that's it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any question, you can always comment down below. Take care. Bye.